same day, but because I was thinking, because as I was doing this, I was thinking, why not just do a full fucking face and then have it in the playlist. So we're doing the eyes, my love, the eyes, the alluring eyes. So because I was quite unsure what look to do, because if I'm going to do this playlist, the end look has to be pink, no pressure whatsoever. So I decided I'm going to go for quite a natural one, because everyone wants a natural beauty queen. Also, especially because my blush, you can't really tell on the camera, but there's more blush here, but on the camera it's like orange. But that's not what I wanted to do. But we're going to do the eyes, okay? So, oh, also, I said I was going to powder more here, but I didn't do it. The reason was, porque? Why? It's literally because I didn't feel like I wanted to do it. Sometimes I do, but sometimes I don't. It's really depends on the mood. But did I blush? Did I powder? I did powder. Look on the first video on why powder is grand. And even if you think you know, still watch it please, because you might actually learn something. Like, I always learn something every single day from all my friends to put makeup on, because I'm always like, ooh, interesting. Very fascinating. Okay, so before I do my eyes, my lips are dry, so I'm going to put a lip balm on. This is just a random lip balm, nothing fancy. I just nearly ate that. Tastes funny. Barasarat. So, I'll show you my collection of eyeshadows. I have another one, but it's very out of date, so I like this one. And yeah. So, I've got Jouer Sunny Skinny Dip Ultra Foil Shimmer Shadows, which are quite a nice, beautiful stuff. I love these. I have Miecha Strawberry M Duochrome Metallic Eyeshadow Palette. Lovely jubbly. This is actually really nice as a bronzer. These two highlighter. Barry M Fall in Love is such a beautiful autumnal colours. Rodeo Belle from Zoeva, so these are really nice as well. I love these, and I really want to show you how blue is just so underrated. Nip and Foul Boy by beautiful neutral purpley mauve palette. This is from Love the Planet. It's a plastic free makeup, and I put them in the pots. It comes in something like this, and you put it in your own little containers, and I had these, and I just was like, oh, perfect. So I've got this like white shadow, white shimmer. I've got this really nice green shimmer in there, and this beautiful brown. Oh my god, it's so gorgeous. Today's look is all about the natural. In fact, all the things I'm not going to use except a skinny dip. And why will I not use them? Because I want to sort of tell you that it's okay to not own a lot of makeup. So I'm going to basically be using, even though the sleek one is shit in my opinion, for me this is too dark. I think when I get more of a tan it does look better. It will look better on me. I just can't believe. As with you don't need a lot of makeup, you don't need a lot of brushes, bitch. The thing that I would say, if you want to splurge on a type of brush, I'll say splurge on more eye brushes if you like to experiment, and if you know you'll use a lot more, especially if you're going to do other people's makeup. It is so lovely to have so many different types of brushes, because even the ones that you don't want to normally pick, you most likely will pick that one for a certain look on someone else though. So yeah, none of the brushes are clean. So I've already concealed. I do have some products on my eyes, and even from the previous videos, I'm actually just sort of plodged some stuff there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick with bronzers and my blushes. That's it. The blushes and bronzers, the highlighters that you use in your cheeks, when you put them in your eyes, it's like mixing yogurt and strawberry jam. I don't know, do you get what I mean? When you mix it, it's a lot better experience when you have it separately, because you know the ratio might be not well, right? I'm not telling people who don't do it. It's okay if you don't do it, but I really like it. Even if you do like a fucking green, yellow, pink eye, if you put a little bit on the eye still, even if it might not look at other people, you will feel it ties it in together a little bit, and I love that. So even if you do the bronzer or blusher or whatever, before you do the major eye look, if you put use the bronzer or the contour thing, If it's not liquid, of course, you want to use that as a base, fucking do it. So I'm going to take this Luxe Petite Crease Zoeva 231. Fucking hell, it's flying everywhere. You don't need specific fancy brushes, okay? I just have 3 because I like to make up, okay? It's the only hobby that I think I'm good at. So I've got some on the brush, and this is the NARS Laguna, sorry, not Copacabana. And there's already some on my eye, you might already see it. I've already done my I like to conceal, put a bit of concealer on top of it, put some powder on it, and then I like to go on top of it, okay? So I'm gonna do that all over. It's already got some product, but I don't really mind, it's okay. It's not super amount. So I've used that as a base, okay? And now I'm going to use my Sleek one. This, by the way, is the Face Contour Kit Medium 886. I'm actually going to use this Morphe M433, which is a bit flatter, but it's a lot nicer. It's a bit dense, but not like packed. Do you know what I mean? So I'm just going to put the tip on it, and where you naturally, your bone is here, your flesh is here. There, I'm trying to go there. Remember, it creates a shadow because this is still a contour. This is still like a bronzer contour type thing. So you want to keep that in mind. So I've done that, right? I think it is that, right? So now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get this. This is a it's Rosa Wava Look Soft Crease. It's more for fluffy. Ooh. Hourglass Radiant Bronze and Light Ambient. I'm just going to swirly, tap. And you can see I really did it more here. There's not much product down there. So I'm going to go with this. I'm actually going to take this up here because I just want it to swamp a bit, and I'm going to go all the way down here. And I want to sort of make it a cattish because I don't actually do eyeliner. You want to like shift your face around to make sure that it is as equal as you want it. I'm happy with that. So that's that, okay? And now comes to the blush. Oh, that fell. So I used NARS Orgasm, and I used the Love the Planet Plastic Free Makeup in Peach. Peach was a beautiful fucking blush. So what I'm going to do though, I'm going to use some of this. I'm using Luxe Crease 228 from Zoeva. It's a nice taper. Oops, hair. And only do it around where your eyeball socket is. You don't want to go above. You can if you want to, but it's only for blending. I'm going to get a nice orgasm. I'm going to get the tape run that I used before for my darker part of the petite crease. I'm going to take a bit of that. I'm going to take as much as I can off. And I'm just going to go specifically inwards of the eye. And I'm going to go out from there. It just creates a little bit, okay? It's not meant to be a lot. Okay, alright, I'm going to leave that. Okay, I'm just going to take this Look Soft crease. I'm just going to fucking blend the bitch. Right. I'm going to take this Morphe M433, which is the flat one that's before, and I'm going to take the highlighter part of this, and I'm literally going to pray to God. No, I'm going to use my finger actually. I wouldn't say this highlighter is my top favourite. Put some in the inner corner. Okay, and I'm going to use this brush. So when I'm doing the highlighter part, I'm only doing it in here. I'm just spreading it across. I'm going to put some of the pink on the outer. edge. Alright, now I'm gonna basically take, I'm gonna take this little pencil, Lux pencil, and I'm gonna take the shit sleek one. Looking up, you want to do that. Okay, and then once you've done that, you want to sort of put it upwards a little bit, and then you want to go down. Alright, and then once you've done that, one of these tan lines from Jouer, I'm just gonna okay, that is done. Comes mascara, because I don't really do the eyeliner, right? So I'm not gonna do the eyeliner because I quite like it like this. I don't wear falsies. I only wear falsies on very special occasions. So I've got Makeup Forever Excessive Lash. This is a sample. I don't have any of the mascaras. I do actually have, I do have two. I recommend both. I really like this NARS Audacious mascara, really lovely. Very naturally look. This is very fucking plain, but it's out of date. It is Aiko London Lash Out and Rock Out and Lash Out mascara. I love the mascaras. I don't know, people don't talk about them a lot, but I love the mascaras. But I only have these. This is actually alright. So I'm gonna look down kind of, and I'm just gonna do a mascara. When you go the bottom ones, you wanna look up. That's all the eyes. To make the eyebrows, I like to just basically put it plain, then put some coconut oil, and then do it again to move the foundation. I'm going to do that one more time because I feel like it's gone a bit more duller. So I'm just gonna do that. I don't really use any product really in my eyebrows. I did, but I don't have it anymore, so I'm using coconut oil. So yeah, you want to put a little bit of coconut oil, but it's gonna fucking look like oil, you know what I mean? And then you want to take it away. And if kind of brushing it, just sort of shapes it. But if you want to like obviously do eyebrows, you do eyebrows. I don't know how to do eyebrows very well. The nose contour, I don't really do a lot of contour in that really. But now lips. I'm gonna wear Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. Got my liner. See, foundation's really good in like keeping the lipstick there. So I do have some foundation on my lips, and I just have lip balm as well. I moved as much as possible because my lips are kind of dry. Some residue still there, so I'm just gonna really nice colour. I think this is my finished look. This is the finished look. It's a very cute look. I'd call this a very cute, adorable little look. I say so myself. It's a very natural look. So I hope you enjoy this playlist. It was very chatty, and I do hope you've learned something. My main premises of doing this was basically because a lot of people ask me about makeup, and I was like, well, why not just do this, you know? But yeah, I think from now on, if I'm going to do any makeup look, I'm not going to do like a full-on playlist. I just kind of wanted to do this so you have some sort of gist on how I like to do my makeup and my tips and tricks and what I like to recommend and stuff. I'm still learning. Every single day, bitch, I'll be learning. Hope you stay safe in this quarantine. Yeah, take care of yourself, guys.